channel. I hope everyone's having a fantastic week so far. I'm having a fantastic week. If you're new here, please like, subscribe, turn on those notification bells so you never miss another video from yours truly. We have a lot to get to today, so without further ado, let's get busy, shall we? I'll see you guys in a minute. So, in today's episode of my Unique Homes series, we're going to focus on container ship homes. Yes. What I really enjoy about container ship homes. Yes. Container ship homes can come in many different shapes, styles. And how you set them up is all up to you. Yes. You can have either a star pattern, or you can do like a straight line container ship home. Yes. Container ships, house these containers, but when they're not used anymore, you can turn them into some great, unique homes. Yes. You can put them any way you want to. You can have 1 story, you can have 2 stories. Some people like to stack them really high. Or you can lay them far apart. Yes. Container ship homes. They can be really fun. And really usable and practical. So no matter what you're doing with them. Yes. Container ship homes. You can do a lot with them. Yes. Any shape and size you want. Some people make tiny homes out of them. Some people use a lot of container ship homes. Containers. To have a really nice sized home. Yes. Container ship homes are really cool looking. Yes. You can get really creative with these style of homes. Yes. You can put whatever you want into them. You can even use them for an office space if you really wanted to. Yeah. Or maybe just stick with a home. Or you can have a little bit of both. Yes. Container ship homes. They are awesome. And container ships are a really great product to use. On the inside of the home, you can make it look like a normal home, but on a unique scale, right? Yes. You can put any type of finish you want inside. Whether that's a concrete floor or yeah. Or maybe a really stylish countertop, backsplash. Or maybe just something simple inside your container ship home. The possibilities and choices out there are really awesome. Yes. Container ship homes. They're special and unique. Yes. And like I said, you can put them any way you want. So, in the next clip, I'm going to show you or tell you what you should find on the inside of your home when it comes to container ship home. So stay tuned. I'll be right back. So, now that I've talked about container ships, homes, and the different shapes and sizes, now we're going to lay it out in a floor plan. Mm-hmm. So inside a container ship home, you're going to find every possible room that you'd find in a regular home. Mm-hmm. Like bedrooms, bathrooms, kitchens, living rooms, family rooms, dining rooms, living rooms, mm-hmm. closets, primary bedrooms and baths. Mm-hmm. So, if you want to go really simple with your floor plan, just do a one story. If you want more than one story, yes, you can do that too. Mm-hmm. Yes. And if you really want a basement, put a basement in. Mm-hmm. Yes. The floor plan is something you want to think about when you're designing your container ship home. Mm-hmm. You want to know where the bedrooms go. You want to know where the bathrooms are going to go. The kitchen, the living room, the dining room, the family room, if you're lucky to have one of those. Mm-hmm. A garage, if you're going to have a garage. Or maybe you're going to have an extra space for an office, if you're working from home. Mm-hmm. All these things you must think about when you're designing any unique home. Mm-hmm. Yes. And all the things that you're going to need as if you're building a regular home, but maybe more unique style. And whatever style you want your container ship home to be. Mm-hmm. Some might be contemporary, others might just be modern, or modern contemporary. Mm-hmm. Yes. When you're thinking about a floor plan, you want to make sure that you have all the practical rooms that you're going to need. Mm-hmm. And think about a budget too. Yes. Mm-hmm. Yes. The finances are very important as well when it comes to your floor plan and your home. Mm-hmm. Because after all, you're going to live there for a long time, right? And you want to enjoy your space. Mm-hmm. Some people like open floor plans when it comes to the public spaces in your home. Some are not really a fan of open concept when it comes to the public spaces. Mm-hmm. But also, where are you going to put your private spaces as well? Like your bedrooms, your bathrooms. Mm-hmm. Closets. Yes. Things like that you want to think about when you're planning out your floor plan. Mm-hmm. And you can use different interior design programs on your computer to help you out as well. Yeah. And all the finishes that you're going to need, like cabinets, countertops, backsplash, sinks. Yeah. All the hardware, too, that you're going to need. For your cabinets and your sinks and all the fixtures in your home, right? And furniture, too. Yes. So if you're thinking of building a container ship home, or maybe just adding an office, container ships homes are really cool and unique. Yes. And I'll be right back to wrap up this video. Well, I had a lot of fun today talking about container ship homes. Yes. And I can't wait to continue the series next Wednesday. Yes. But I hope I have given you a lot of great tips when it comes to container ship homes. They can be really fun to interior design. Yeah. And you can put them whatever way you want to, right? After all, you're going to be enjoying that home for a long time to come. Yes. Today's episode is the first in my unique home series. Well, if you like what I have put together for you today, please give this video a thumbs up. Yes, like, subscribe, comment, share. Turn on those notification bells so you never miss another video from yours truly. Follow me on all my social media pages. You guys are awesome, wonderful, and lovely. And I'll see you guys on Saturday for another vlog. Another video. Yes. Until then, so long. Bye.